Well done! There we go, everybody. Get in.
986 MDP Beatrice tickets opens 10 grand for 986 and 144 winners. Another one.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
FVTR, some nice ones there. This is definitely another combo. Definitely is nothing new. Michael, that's how close, good luck, but it's also super good. Some nicely crispy cooked bacon with some ice cream and, well, best case scenario, some pancakes or some maple syrup. 9 bonus spots. $3XN26. Oh, we got that top slot, didn't we? Follow me. Yes, follow up with me, ladies and gentlemen. We got the top slot going. Oh, you better be good. Come on, wheel. Yeah, 3X on top. Here we go, guys. Let's hope for the better. So, highest one stands at 600X. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 24,401 euros.
Listen, we got that 300X coming in hard. Sheesh, we got the 300. 131 total. Some nice ones there. And here's the next spin time, betting time, so certainly good luck. Let's see what we can do up next. Good luck. Take care. That will be all. Bets are closed. So waiting for bonus spots to arrive from 3 to 15 possible ones. We're getting how many? 9. Okay, we'll take it. Good luck. $4XN36. Huh. We got that 4X here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Oh, all right, people. We have another 4X to attend to. As a top slot. This time a number 36 red, though. So let's drop it down like it's hot here. Oh, yes. Look at that fish. The cocktail. Okay, guys, we got the 1,600X here. Let's cheery. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 67,837 euros.
Oh, yes. Yes. 400X all yours. Hey, we're getting better at this. 266 total winners. Really nice to see some multipliers starting to drop down.
You win, darling. So congratulations to you. Now let's continue. Our one betting time is back. You're very welcome to place your bets. And dear players, right now, bets are closed. Each round from 3 up to 15 key, and also tough on multi-mind be up to 20x. Right now, 6 key it is. Good luck to all of you. Ooh. XA. Yay, that is a black, ladies and gentlemen. 3 times multi. We got key. Bonus round. Let's go. Hey. Good luck. welcome to the bonus round, everybody. Great job done. We got a 3 times multi from the top button. That's really cool. So let's go. Let's have fun right now, ladies and gentlemen. Triple up the fun so we can see what is the top multi of this game. Top multi 600x. Good luck, everyone.
This is the amount of money issued to 101,742 euros.
600x.
Right? They can have some multipliers on them too. Those like bonus spot multis. Biggest one being 20x. Betting time's now closed. All right, guys, 7 bonus spots here. You guys are hilarious. All right, guys, let's go. Good luck. All right, 2x on 10 and 24 for Kobe and 5x on 7. Winning number 7, red, low odd. First column, first dozen. We have a bonus game with a little slight twist to it as well, guys. Follow me, I'm going to tell you everything. Hello! Hello, everybody. Let's apply the 5x real quick before we take our first spin. All right, no double digits at all on the wheel, guys. We still want to see those doubles, though. That would be pretty nice. The biggest multi that we rock on the wheel is 1000x. Let's go get it. Good luck. Let's double it up real quick. And of course, now we have 200x on the wheel. Let's get that one.
This is the amount of money issued, 100,575 euros.
Board, everybody. That's what I'm talking about. 4 digits on that multi, guys. 1000x. Hero, BTNR, and ZP are the top 3 winners, 2 and 4 winners in total. Well done!
Are 20 times the pay, but yeah, with the bonuses they do go up really high, sky high. So that's the thing, basically, you know. But yeah, everything's fine, though. Yeah, I mean, Lansdowne's fine. Well, it can bounce around a bit as well. Physics out of physics, you know. It do be like that. Although some people still claim that sometimes the ball doesn't know any physics. Kind of agree sometimes, you know. 6 keys, I mean, it do be sus, right? Hey. Ooh, good multis, 22, 28, and 35. 35 is the best with 7 times. Yo, that's 35! Big high number with 7 times! 7 times! Woohoo! Woohoo! That's good. That's gonna definitely help you out with our very lovely Crazy Time bonus game. First things first, 7x. Boom, bada bing. We'll hit the wheel right now. Yes, please. This is too fast for the bell. Look at the animations. Well, it should be good now. I mean, 7 times will, thanks to that, top multiplier is going to be 1400 without a double. Best of luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 142,209 euros.
1,400! 1,400! Congratulations! Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Enjoy, enjoy. big kisses to all of you. That's a big win. Congratulations. Not bad, no? And that was just the 7 times, by the way. So, 986 MDP, Beatrice, a great prize. Well, 50 times for this bonus game. 323 winners, with the bonus included. 986 MDP and Anish taking top wins. But yeah, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Jurek. Take care, enjoy your stay. Hopefully you had a fun on that bonus game. We're moving on, trying to catch the next one. Remember, the only way how to pass through the doors is by finding a key from the numbers themselves. 4 keys, no less than 3, not more than 15 keys will appear every round. 1, 9, 21, 23 this time. Featuring a 2x9 and 7x23. That's the good stuff. Ideally, if it could hit. It actually hit! It hit 23! 7 times the key! Come through! Well, if there's gonna be anything like that last session I had a chance to see a 7 times bonus credit time game. It actually hit for 1,400. Even though the top actual multi, I think, was... Well, we shall soon see what kind of multi it's gonna be. So 7x is gonna hit the board. What do we get for the top prize? I think 2,000 something? What do we have? 1,400. Oh yeah, that was the max screen then. Okay. Best of luck. Couple doubles would be great.
This is the amount of money issued 360,613 euros.
Oh, good dear Lord, I'm on fire today. Another 1,400 from Jurgis. Let's go. Hey, enjoy those while they last, obviously. 1,400 max win for that bonus game without a double because it was a 7x23. 444 winners. Another one.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.